Salut tout le monde! Bonjour et bienvenue à votre cours de français. Moi, je m'appelle Liz et je suis votre professeur. Dans cette vidéo, so in this video, I'm going to introduce our course on Teachable. On va parler un peu français, bien sûr. And I'm going to first start with how this all works. So you will have a pre-class prep video to do with a lesson before class every week, just like this one. We have our virtual face-to-face core class twice a week. And then if you've signed up for the Saturday Cafe, that's great. That gives you some extra practice with conversation every Saturday. Then we have our online curriculum, which is hosted by Teachable, and I'm going to go through that briefly and we'll see that in class. And our discussion board on Padlet, and I'm going to show that to you as well. Okay, so this is what our course will look like. On the left-hand side, you'll be able to click on the syllabus, which shows you the weeks and what topics we'll be covering week by week. You also have a link to Padlet under resources, where you'll be able to access our Padlet page, and that's our discussion page. Also on that left-hand side, you'll have access to the handouts and these prep videos, and those will be organized by week. And we'll go over this more in class as well. So this is what our Padlet will look like. This is an example of a previous semester's French 1A discussion board. And you can see that I've posted a lot on here, as has Freestyle, to convey some information to the class. But also students post on this site. They enjoy posting on our course site to get some practice outside of class or ask questions that might have come up outside of class, and also to share some French culture and language that they might have learned outside of class that they want to share. So it's a great way to stay in touch with your classmates and with me, and to share and practice French outside of class. Ok, maintenant en français, deux vérités et un mensonge. So at the beginning of this semester, we're going to do a little bit of review. So I don't have a new lesson for you. Rather, we're going to do a little icebreaker, un petit brise-glace pour commencer. Deux vérités, two truths, and a lie, un mensonge. Okay? J'habite à Austin. Je suis française. Et j'ai une sœur. Lequel est le mensonge? Which one is the lie? Devinez, guess, ok? Il y a un mensonge, deux vérités et un mensonge. Donc, devinez, lequel est le mensonge? Which one is the lie about me? Ok? Et vous pouvez poster votre réponse sur notre Padlet. You can post if you're comfortable posting on Padlet already, you can post your response on your answer on Padlet, your guess, or you can just bring it to our first class session if you're not ready to post on Padlet yet. À vous maintenant. Créez un compte sur Padlet et puis postez sur Padlet deux vérités et un mensonge sur vous, two truths and a lie about you. Et on va deviner, we're going to guess lequel est le mensonge, which one is the lie. So this is just a little icebreaker, un petit brise-glace pour commencer, just to start, et pour pratiquer un peu, pour réviser, to review. So if you're comfortable using Padlet, you can go ahead and do that now. If not, we can just do this in class as a little icebreaker at the beginning. So I look forward to working with all of you this semester. And here's your preparation for our first day, our first week. Make sure you read your welcome email, access Teachable and explore your new curriculum and resources, post on our new Padlet page, and go over the weekly vocab flashcards. And then you'll be ready for class for the first week of class. Merci et à bientôt.